Got the mirrors and the wheel swap. It's not bad. We're gonna be swapping out these rims onto this truck. They're both 6.0 Super Duties. I built this one, I'm about to get rid of it, so take these rims off and put them on this one and swap them out. I'm gonna walk y'all through the process. I'm also gonna be making a video on replacing the cab corners and the rocker panel. There's the donor truck. It's got the bed for this truck. Here's the old bed. I'm about to walk y'all through the process of us swapping these rims. Let's get it. About to knock this second half out. Let's get it. We got the wheel swapped. Don't look too bad for this truck. Kind of goes with it. Got the power truck wheels back on.
They're on, but no. Put this back in your red truck right now before you forget.
Okay. We're about to swap these tow mirrors onto the project truck. Do a nice little swap. I have to take the door off. A couple bolts. There's one. There's one. Get back. Got the mirrors and the wheel swap. It's not bad. This truck's ready for sale. Next episode, we're going to be doing the front corners and rockers. Let's get it, man.